Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject heat transfer for civil services mains, IFS and various gate exam. Now we will solve one question based on free convection asked in IAS mains 2009. The question is a hot plate of 15 centimeter square area maintained at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius is exposed to still air at 30 degrees Celsius temperature. When the smaller side of the plate is held vertical, convective heat transfer rate is 14% higher than when the bigger side of the plate is held vertical. Determine the dimensions of the plate. Neglect internal temperature gradient of the plate thickness. Also determine the heat transfer rates in both the cases. Use the following relation. Nu is equal to 0.59 bracket gr into pr raised per 0.25. Take the following properties of air. So various properties like rho, Cp, mu and K are given at temperature 30, 115 and 200 degrees Celsius. So first of all, it is given that the temperature of plate is 200 degrees Celsius. So Ts is 200 degrees Celsius and ambient air temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So Ti is your 30 degrees Celsius. So mean film temperature is average of these two. So that will be your 115 degrees Celsius. So we will take the property at 115 degrees Celsius from this table. So we'll note down these properties rho, Cp, mu and K. Okay. So now we'll use this in the correlation. In the correlation there is number, Grashof number. Grashof number is beta g delta T L cube by mu square. So beta is here 1 by Tm. So that is 1 by film temperature in Kelvin. That is 115 plus 273. So it will be 0.002577 per degree Kelvin. And here kinematic viscosity there, so dynamic viscosity by density. So that we have noted. So kinematic viscosity will be 24.89 × 6 meters square per second. And temperature difference is 200 minus 30, that is 170 degrees Celsius or Kelvin. G is 9.81 meter per second square. So now here L is there. So L, when the shorter side is held vertical, then L is your B. When longer side is held vertical, then L is your L, that is longer side. So first we will take, when the shorter side is held vertical, so we will take it here B. So it will give Grashof number, putting this value, Grashof number as 6.39 BQ. And now we need Prandtl number also for using the correlation given. So Prandtl number is mu Cp by K. Mu is this, Cp is this and K is this. So from this Prandtl number comes out as 0.69. So now we can find out Nusselt number for the shorter side, putting the value of Grashof number and Prandtl number. So it will come 5.135 into B raised per, sorry, 115.148 B raised per 5.5, and Nusselt number is Hs into B by K. So from this Hs will come out as 5.135 into B raised per minus 0.25. So now if we keep the longer side vertical, then the convective heat transfer coefficient will be calculated in the same way, but here B is replaced by L and expression would also be same, that is 5.135 into L raised per minus 0.25. Okay, so now it is given that the convective heat transfer coefficient is for the shorter side is 14% more than the longer convective heat transfer coefficient. So it means Hs minus HL divided by Hs is equal to 14 by 100. Okay, so now we can put the value of Hs, this Hs and HL, and from this 5.135 we cancel out. So we will have B raised per minus 0.25 divided by minus L raised per minus 0.25 divided by B raised per minus 0.25. So from this, solving like this, we can find out B by L, that is 0.547. So now it is given that area of plate is 15. So if both sides of the plate are exposed, that area will be 2 into B into L, and B and L ratio is this. So from this we can find out L and B like this. Okay. So after finding out B and L, we can find out convective heat transfer coefficient for the shorter, when the shorter side is held vertical and when the longer side is held vertical, because we have HS is equal to 5.135 into B raised to power minus 0.25 and HL 5.135 into L raised to power minus 0.25. So from this, HS is 13.6123 and HL is 11.7081. So now after finding out HS and HL, we can find out heat transfer also. So QS is HSA into delta T, and QL when the longer side is vertical is HLA into delta T. So from this, putting these values, we can have QS as 3.47 and QL as 2.9855.